I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Make sure the target machines run a messenger-compatible service and you have admin rights. Once done, open Command Prompt as administrator so permissions don't block messaging. Next, determine the recipient identifier, a username, computer name, or IP address, because NetSend requires a clear destination. Then type the base command. NetSend recipient your message, and don't press enter until you confirm the exact spelling of the recipient name. Now build the full command and explain why each part matters. Use quotes around multi-word text so the shell treats it as one argument. That prevents truncated messages. If name resolution is unreliable, substitute the recipient's IP address. Using IP avoids NetBIOS lookup delays. To message multiple endpoints, list them separated by spaces, but test with a single client first to verify delivery. Finally, press enter and watch for any error output to confirm the send succeeded. Finish by confirming the message appeared on the recipient device. If it didn't, don't guess. Inspect the exact error that NetSend returned. Make sure the messenger service is running or that an equivalent listener is installed, and check firewall rules to allow the required ports and UDP traffic. If name resolution fails, retry with IP addresses. Lastly, be aware modern Windows versions disable NetSend, so if it's unsupported, move to MSG or a supported third-party tool to complete the task.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.